Hi everyone, welcome back to another video by Njelife. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make absolutely delicious, rich, velvety, smooth, hot chocolate, homemade stovetop hot chocolate. Perfect for upcoming Christmas. Let's get started. So to start, I have that tiny drop of melted butter. It's about 1/6 of a tablespoon. You can add 1/4 a tablespoon or some heavy cream or some half and half, just a little bit to make it a little more creamy and silky. Now we're going to add 1 cup of milk. That's 1 cup of whole milk. That's what I'm using, but of course you can use whatever milk you'd like. Now we're going to add 1/4 a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 a teaspoon in with the milk. Now let's add 1.5 tablespoons of, I'm using this sugar, just regular sugar. There's 1, and I filled it up about halfway. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of, I'm using special dark Hershey's cocoa because it's so rich and delicious. Here's 1. And 2. Okay, now get yourself a little whisk like this one. It's a cute little rubber whisk. I think it was like $1 at Target or something. And turn this up to about medium, a little higher than medium, and whisk it all together till it's nicely incorporated. All right, now carefully pour it. This is so delicious. Ooh, and it's like the perfect temperature. I let it chill for, not chill, but let it cool down for like 3 minutes maybe. And it is like hot, the perfect temperature, not too hot. It is super rich because I use the dark chocolate, the Hershey's Special Dark, but you can use obviously whatever you like.